Hello guys. In this video, we'll be seeing the 4 things you must know before you start your own manga or you become a mangaka. Before these 4 things, the one main thing you should have is your own character and your own story.
Are you serious?
This one is a bonus tip. Even before you start your own manga, you have to know to use your dip pens. So to do that, you can draw by practicing. You can practice by drawing other animes mangas like One Punch Man will be great. Every single manga panel is great. You can also do Jujutsu Kaisen, which is easy for my art style. So you can practice those. The first step is hatching and cross hatching. Since manga is only black and white, you can change the mood by hatching and cross hatching. So hatching and cross hatching is basically important for your manga. For instance, if we use Bleach as an example, they use hatching and cross hatching excellently. Here I have used hatching for 2 things. One for shadows and 2 for changing the mood into intense. The second one is perspective. Nearly 90% of the panels you draw need perspective. Here basically we use a horizon line and a vanishing point. The number of vanishing points we use determines the type of perspective we use. Mostly artists use 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, 3-point perspectives and fisheye perspective. The next one is the color wheel. Basically turning the color wheel into monochrome will give you the colors that you have to give to your character in black and white. Here in the one I am doing, I don't want him in any other color, so I am giving him black. There are many other uses for a color wheel, not only this one. The fourth and the last one is human anatomy. This one is the most important since basically you draw humans in your manga. I will not be able to explain this one to you guys since I am not a master in this myself. But you can learn human anatomy in a channel called Draw Like a Savage I learned. Also another bonus tip is that when you draw your manga, don't be scared or be hesitant to use darker colors. That tip was not only for mangas but also every other art mediums. Just do what you want, it's our art. But to implement the image in your head into the paper, you have to master all the 4 that I mentioned. So comment anything you want, I'll explain it. Bye for today.